Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your SHARP Aquos Sense2, at the first you have to go for the Play Store and download Recorder application. Right now let's go with this one, for example. Let's open. Accept permissions. And right now, to start the record, you have to click right here. Right now we can finish and check quality of this record. Click OK, then tap right here to see all the records that you have on the smartphone. Let me volume up and play it one more time. Right here. Right now we can finish. And the quality is really good. Thank you guys for the watch. Sorry guys for the ad. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.